said that he was still only 3/5 of a person. It took until the 14th Amendment, but it was only 60 years ago, in 1964, that Judge Earl Warren said, one person, one vote. But starting in 2002, something very important occurred in this country, and that was the electronic voting systems introduced a feature called the weighted race algorithm. Weighted race algorithm. It's a feature that the secretaries of state approved. And what that allowed people to do is, if me and Mike were running for office, he got 1,000 votes, I got 1,000 votes, and let's say the deep state wanted him to win, or they could multiply his votes by 2 and multiply my votes by 0.5. This is a feature in the electronic voting systems that was certified by the secretaries of state and the national state election directors. This was done by the secretaries of state. In Massachusetts, what occurred to me when I ran for U.S. Senate on September 1, I won by a landslide. They multiplied my votes by 0.666. And they multiplied my opponents by 1.2. We have a federal lawsuit in Massachusetts, 2 of them. I won one of them already by representing myself. So we have hope. The judge was a federal judge appointed by Reagan. We have another lawsuit coming up. The reason I'm telling you this is you cannot trust politicians, you cannot trust lawyers, you cannot trust judges. We must trust ourselves. We won one part of this in Massachusetts, but the bottom line is this: we do not have one person, one vote. What has occurred in this country, because of big tech, power is now consolidated by a few, and we must go back to the hand-counted ballot, paper ballots. We got to go back to paper ballots. And you're hearing that from a guy who's got 4 degrees from MIT, who invented the first email system, and who understands technology. I'm here to tell you, they've made us all slaves with these electronic voting systems. So one person, one vote. 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 And that's what we want. And all of you need to go back into your local towns and cities. You got to destroy those electronic voting machines. Demand that we go back to paper ballots. That's hand counted by all of us. That's how we're going to get back to democracy. Thank you very much, everyone. Be well, be the light. Thank you.